Pating Reviews presents iBUYPOWER Gaming PC Element MR9320. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. Absolutely top-notch gaming PC. I tried to make one myself using the pieces found in this build and couldn't go under the displayed sale price. This is a gem for anyone trying to have a top to mid level gaming PC. The parts are very well chosen and everything worked perfectly. Real plug and play stuff. I've built my share of gaming PCs and this was as good as it gets for something built for you. Thank you, and also for the extra fast delivery. Can you tell I'm more than happy with it? Definitely recommend that you check out this gaming PC. Here's a bit more information about this gaming PC. Brand iBUYPOWER. CPU model Core i7. Computer memory size 16 GB. RAM memory installed size 16 GB. Series Element MR9320. System an Intel i7-10700F. 2.9 GHz up to 4.8 GHz max turbo. 16 GB of DDR4 RAM. 240 GB of SSD, 1 TB hard disk drive, genuine Windows 10 Home 64-bit. Graphics, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti, 6 GB of dedicated gaming video card VR ready, 1 DVI, 1 HDMI, and 1 DisplayPort. Connectivity, 4 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, 1 RJ-45 network Ethernet. Audio 7.1 channel. Special add-ons: tempered glass RGB gaming case, 802.11 AC, Wi-Fi included, 16 color RGB lighting case, free iBUYPOWER gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse included, no bloatware, warranty 1 year on parts and labor, free lifetime US tech support, assembled in the USA. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.